Leading up to and after the 2016 presidential election, library staff realized that the community was really agitated and a little bit anxious about politics and government. And looking forward to the 2020 election, library staff really wanted to develop a series of programs that would provide a safe place for people to talk about government, politics, and political infrastructure. Out of that came the Common Ground campaign, and that's going to be a series of programs and events throughout 2020 that are dedicated to building community, civic engagement, and American politics. Libraries are a terrific place to host programs that could be a little contentious because we are a neutral, community-based gathering place. And library staff, our whole job is to find accurate, reliable information on whatever topic you're looking for. The first event is going to be Making Sense of the Census on Wednesday, March 18th at 7 p.m. at the Thomas Jefferson Library. The census historian is going to give us some background and examples of how the census has been used throughout U.S. history. Our second event in April is a political party, and that will be on Saturday, April 11th at 2 p.m. at the City of Fairfax Regional Library. This is going to be a down and dirty discussion about the two main political parties in the Commonwealth of Virginia. The third program will be Electoral College, Necessity or Nuisance. That'll be on Thursday, May 14th at 7 p.m. at the Kings Park Library. It seems like every presidential election we talk about the Electoral College, but we don't really understand what it is or why we have it, and do we still need it? And we're going to talk about all of those issues at this program. Our last event will take place in June, and it's going to cover redistricting, and we are calling it, Why is my congressional district shaped like a seahorse? We all know that we have to have redistricting, but we also know that it may not be done as fairly as we'd like. During the summer, we're going to have a One Book, One Fairfax, in which the whole community is invited to read the same book and talk about it. And the book we've selected for that is Sarah Novick's novel, Girl at War. We're really excited for folks to read it at the same time and discuss a very, very interesting and well-written novel. There are going to be a lot of Common Ground events throughout 2020 in all of our branches. And to find a complete listing, go to the library's homepage, click on Events, and then click on View Events by Type and select Common Ground. This will give you a whole listing of everything that's available at each branch of the Fairfax County Public Library. In an age where we feel like we're politically polarized, the Fairfax County Public Library feels like there's a whole lot more common ground than we may realize at first glance. We invite you to come into the library to find your own common ground, be it through attending a program, reading Girl at War or another provocative title, or satisfying your own curiosity using our library resources. There's tons of common ground, and we hope you'll find some of yours at the Fairfax County Public Library.